Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best vegetable dicer on the market, the Fullstar vegetable chopper. If you're looking to streamline your meal prep and save time in the kitchen, this might just be the tool for you. Let's get into why. The Fullstar vegetable chopper isn't just your average kitchen gadget, it's a versatile 4-in-1 tool designed to chop, slice, and dice various vegetables effortlessly. Whether you're preparing salads, stir-fries, or soups, this tool promises to make your life easier. First off, let's talk about its build. The chopper features high-quality stainless steel blades that retain their sharpness, ensuring clean cuts every time. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a big plus for easy cleanup. I've personally found the Fullstar chopper incredibly easy to use. With its non-skid base and ergonomic handle, it stays securely in place on your countertop while you work. Plus, it's compact enough to store neatly in your kitchen cabinets. One of the standout features is its versatility. You can dice potatoes, slice tomatoes, julienne carrots. This tool does it all. It's perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs looking to speed up their prep time without sacrificing quality. Now, how does it stack up against similar products? Unlike some other choppers, the Fullstar stands out for its sturdy construction and the variety of tasks it can handle. It's also competitively priced, making it a great value for what it offers. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a reliable vegetable chopper that delivers on performance and ease of use, the Fullstar vegetable chopper is a solid choice. It's efficient, durable, and backed by positive user experiences. Whether you're preparing a quick weekday meal or planning a feast, this tool will definitely simplify your kitchen tasks. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Fullstar chopper or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy chopping!